Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And let me mute this. I was trying to figure out why my last video reviewing the XH Data new radio, why the shortwave reception was so poor here early in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. So I just hooked up my RSP-DX using my Megaloop antenna, and look at the noise. Oh my gosh, this is 5 megahertz, which normally this time of day I can receive very good. Now listen, let you listen to it. This noise. About 15 minutes ago I could actually hear it, but it was still noisy, and I'm like, what is going on? I mean, just a couple of days ago reception was great. Well, it's not so great. I went to WM7D's solar resource page. There's the solar flux index, 157. That's a good number, but look at the A index, it's 38. We want this to be like 5 or less. No wonder. So the old sun is being very active, and there's currently 120 sunspots, and I guess a lot of solar flares causing all this RF noise. So that's the problem. It's not the radio. So I'm going to have to do some more videos on that radio when this calms down. Get that number down to like 5 or less. K index is okay, it's down to a 2. Solar flux index 157, that's what we want. So I apologize for not knowing that and supposedly testing that radio, which the other thing is I had a lot of trouble with my setup. I'm back down in my radio room, and my camera that I normally use, it's a webcam, it's not doing too good. I haven't used it in a year. And my microphone, I broke my good microphone, so I'm using a cheap lapel microphone, so the audio is not too good. So I apologize. We're going to get better. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.